Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called Pete the Cat Out of This World by James Dean. It's a great day. Pete the Cat is going to space camp. Welcome Cat Space Camp. Nice. Pete meets his bunkmate, Glenn. As they unpack, there's an announcement. Welcome, space campers. Please head to the classroom. Your mission begins now. Time to suit up, says Pete. He and Glenn put on their uniforms and race to class. There are so many cool things to do and super neat stuff to see. Astronauts Tom and Chris talk about the space trips they've taken, and they give a sneak peek at future space trips. It'll be totally rad to go to space, says Pete. The campers find out what it feels like to be an astronaut. They go in zero-gravity chamber. They ride in rovers. They even build rockets. Pete's rocket flies very, very far. Way to go, Pete, shouts Glenn. Next stop is Mission Control. We have some exciting news, says Tom. Our next flight leaves today. We're going to the moon. We have room for one more. Pete, do you want to go? Asks Sally. That would be awesome, says Pete. It's time to buckle up and settle into the space capsule. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift off! Their spaceship speeds through space. They blast past a satellite, and they even spot a comet. Okay, here's a little fun fact here. Did you know that you can fit all of the planets, including Pluto, in between Earth and the moon? Check it out for yourself. I mean, somebody made a YouTube video on it, but let's not talk about it. Okay. Tom and Sally have a rockin' surprise for Pete. His guitar. He plays a groovy interstellar song for them. Mission Control listens in. In no time at all, they arrive on the moon. They are ready to explore. The astronauts collect rocks and map out the moon's surface. Okay, here's another fun fact. Did you know that if you travel on rocket at light speed, it'll take like 1 second to get to the moon. Like the blink of an eye. It's like you blink and then you're on the moon. Okay. Pete has a very important job to do. He straps on a jetpack and heads to... How is that even possible? Why would he even go... That's a kid! Pete is a kid and he's going to Mars and he blasts off with a jetpack? Why? I mean, I don't even think that will last that long. I don't know. I mean, you're going from the moon all the way to Mars. That's a long time. Okay. He straps on the jetpack and heads towards Mars. He takes tons of pictures. Oh no, Pete lost track of the time and the moon is far, far away. He has to make it back to the ship before it blasts off. Phew. Pete made it in the nick of time. The astronauts head home, and there's time for a few more tunes. Yeah, did you like in the picture on the next page? You can see that there's a space shuttle looking like an airplane landing with a parachute at the back of it. That's actually real. They don't get inside of the rocket, and since there's the space shuttle attached to it, they actually just get inside of the space shuttle because they don't really need the other piece, like the back of it, the orange part. And then there's a parachute that comes out when they're landing. They actually land on an airport, not just a normal road or something, because that would be dangerous. Okay, Pete's trip to outer space was out of this world. Still, he psyched it or something, I don't know. Psyched to have his feet back on the ground. Rock on, Pete! So, I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up. I will see you in our next video. Bye!